Men, listen up. Your testosterone levels are dropping faster than ever before. Studies show that the average man today has significantly lower testosterone than his grandfather did at the same age. Low testosterone can mean low energy, reduced muscle mass, brain fog, and even a lower sex drive. But what if I told you that you could naturally boost your testosterone without drugs or expensive supplements? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear science-backed strategy to increase your testosterone and reclaim your vitality. Before we dive into the solutions, let's first understand what testosterone actually is and why it's so important. Testosterone is a hormone primarily produced in the testicles for men and in smaller amounts in the ovaries for women. It plays a crucial role in muscle growth, fat distribution, bone density, red blood cell production, and even mood regulation. When testosterone levels are optimal, men feel energetic, motivated, confident, and strong. But when testosterone is low, you can experience fatigue, depression, increased body fat, and a drop in motivation. It's not just about looking better, it's about feeling and performing at your best. Now here's the scary part. Testosterone levels have been declining across generations, and it's not just due to aging. Studies show that environmental toxins, poor diet, lack of physical activity, and chronic stress are destroying our natural testosterone levels. If you're eating processed foods, getting poor sleep, and living a sedentary lifestyle, you're setting yourself up for low testosterone. But don't worry, because next we're going to fix it. You are what you eat, and your testosterone levels reflect your diet. Here's what you need to focus on. Increase healthy fats. Testosterone is made from cholesterol. Include avocados, eggs, olive oil, and fatty fish. Eat zinc and magnesium-rich foods, shellfish, beef, spinach, and pumpkin seeds. Consume more protein. Lean meats, eggs, and dairy can help maintain muscle mass and testosterone. Reduce processed sugars. Excess sugar leads to insulin spikes, which suppress testosterone production. If you're not lifting weights, you're missing out on one of the easiest ways to skyrocket testosterone. Heavy compound lifts, squats, deadlifts, and bench presses are testosterone-boosting exercises. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, short bursts of intense exercise boost testosterone more than steady-state cardio. Avoid overtraining. Chronic stress from too much exercise can actually lower testosterone. You can eat right and work out, but if your sleep is trash, your testosterone will be too. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Studies show that sleeping less than 5 hours can reduce testosterone by 15%. Deep sleep matters. Avoid screens before bed and sleep in a cool, dark room. Track your sleep. Use sleep tracking apps to monitor your quality of rest. Chronic stress increases cortisol, a hormone that directly suppresses testosterone. Here's how to keep your stress in check. Meditation and deep breathing. Just 10 minutes a day can lower stress levels. Social connection. Strong relationships and bonding increase testosterone. Sunlight and vitamin D. Sun exposure is one of the easiest testosterone boosters. Did you know that chemicals in plastics and personal care products are lowering your testosterone? Avoid plastic containers. BPA and phthalates mimic estrogen and disrupt hormones. Use natural grooming products. Look for paraben-free and sulfate-free options. Filter your water. Tap water can contain hormone-disrupting chemicals. So let's recap. To naturally boost testosterone, focus on eating the right foods, lifting heavy, sleeping well, reducing stress, and avoiding hormone-disrupting chemicals. Do these things consistently, and you'll not only increase your testosterone, but also transform your health and confidence. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's your biggest struggle with testosterone? I'll be reading and replying to as many as I can. See you in the next video on the screen.